Okay, so yeah. So instead of jumping right to the computer, let's talk about what you think the average distance is going to be and some of the important considerations.
Well, you have to consider all of the possible positions that he could fire from, and then you'd add all the, so it's an angle, any angle. So you have to,
And how many of those are there?
there's infinitely many.
Yeah, right.
It doesn't have to be an integer number of degrees.
That's right. There's infinitely many different angles. So we have to consider all of those angles.
We also have to consider the length of this distance.
Yeah, and that's what we're trying to find the average of.
And so we'd add all of those up and then divide by infinity.
Yeah, so
It's a little
that's
tricky. But also, x, if this angle here is 90, x is infinity as well.
that's right. If you pick a 90-degree angle, so I think technically you're not allowed to pick 90 exactly because it would never hit, but that's okay. You can pick 89.9999999 and it'll eventually hit. Anything you want to say about the problem before taking a guess?
Well, my guess is going to be around 1.
Around 1. Okay, why?
Because looking at the averages again, if you just look at the integers from 1 to 90, the average is or sort of the middle number is 45.5.
Okay.
So, and you know that if this were a 45-degree angle, this would be 1.
Right.
So it's a 45.5-degree angle. That means it's going to be a little more than 1.
Okay. Yeah, and actually you're going from 0 to 90 here.
Okay.
Right, because you can pick a 0-degree angle. Right?
Yeah.
You don't have to pick a 1-degree angle.
So then it's actually 45.
Okay, so you think the answer is going to be close to 1 because the middle angle is 45,
Mm-hmm.
and that'll probably get us close to the average. Okay, so what do you think? What do you
I
think?
this is going to be the same thing because, like, 45, if you're picking an angle from basically 0 to 90, 45 would be right in the middle between them, and if you do the 45 as the middle, and you create this triangle 45, 45, 90, and this is going to be isosceles, so x is going to be 1.
Okay, that's interesting. Let me show you one thing just to maybe challenge your assumption that the middle angle is also going to be the middle distance or the average distance. So I've got something like this, and here's 45, right? So this is 1, this is 1. But let me pick something half that. So here's a 22.5-degree angle.
That's not actually going to be exactly.
It won't be quite in the middle.
And if you pick like a 90-degree angle.
Well, but I don't want to. I want to go this exact amount, the same distance, over here.
Another 22.5.
Yeah. So this is 22.5, 22.5, 22.5. So this is 1. That's 1. This is shorter than 1, and this is longer than 1. But do you think these average? This spot and this spot average to be 1?
No.
No.
Average somewhere.
Yeah, the average somewhere over here.
So it could be different because the larger angles you go, the less you have to add on to make it even larger.
Yeah. Okay, well let's go to the computer, and what we're going to do is we're going to do some samples. So maybe we'll do 100 trials and see what the average is.
All right.
All right.
And then we'll do another 100 and see what that average is, and just see how it goes. Okay.
All right.